今日も、ボーリングの話です。Yesterday I bowled and three games. The first game 189, not so bad, one miss. And the second game 134, very very bad. From 1 to 5th frame all open. And third game also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 miss altogether, and the total 140. So total game 463, average 154. This is very 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 bad, and I'm so surprised because yesterday I didn't try any new way. I tried the standard way, so that standard way is not trying to increase the revolution or increase of the speed. No, the first one, control. I try to make a good control so that I can get 180 or over. But after that, this is it. Average is 154. And of course I started having this hernia, and my left leg hasn't become good, no change, or even worse. So the length of the step, I will take the 5 or 4.5 step before I slow. But anyway, I tried to make the good control, without thinking increase of the revolution or increase the speed. But after all, this is it. And I am very very disappointed myself. In the meantime, 3 or 2 weeks ago, I increased the tape. I add the tapes back of the thumb, and that was maybe make difference of my control. So I thought I reduce it one tape, and yesterday on the way I reduced one more, and the reeds change maybe result in losing my control. But anyway, this is very very bad. Last year, for the first time for the 20 years, I made the average under 180. That was the first time. Although during the last 20 years I reduced from 15 pounds ball to 14 to 13, and last year 12, because of my weakness of the muscle power. And still I'm trying to do this bowling as long as 100 if possible. So I reduced the weight of the ball, and last year, but still, my average was 170 something, so I increased again to 13 ball, and this year even worse. It is mid or lower 170 average, so I have to do something. So I thought maybe I have feeling to lost the ball, so I increased the thumb back tape to add 2 tape, and maybe this was a wrong idea, so I reduced to 1 tape. But yesterday still I couldn't make a very good control, so I reduced again or 1 more. So after all, to the original one, but still the result is this, and I don't know what to do. All I can do is try to be patient with my feet and with my score. That's all.